Buongiorno. We are looking at how to pronounce correctly in Italian this word, meaning short. In Italian, this is often associated or related to a type of coffee preparation or caffe, as the Italians say it. So, in English, this is also a word that is normally said as breve, hence perhaps the confusion, but in Italian, this is said as breve, breve, meaning short again. So if you want to say the Italian word but you can't pronounce Italian perfectly, you can say it as breve rather than breve, breve coffee or caffè breve. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments, and by using the like button. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.